Osaka, Japan. Thank you very much. Welcome. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hey guys, position. Yes. His rice and fish together sushi. 3, 2, 1. Everybody clap! There we go. Alright. Give us energy. Everybody together. Everybody together.
What time is it?
Very good. Here we go. Everybody watch. We are ninja. Sushi! Sushi じゃないenergy.
We love sushi.
Everybody hold. Fast big trick.
Fast trick.
3, 2, 1. Come on, Osaka, make some noise. Come on! Everybody clap! There we go. More disco. Wait, point. Hey! Son, you should clap. Everybody watch, demo up. Hi. Sushi. Yup. Come on. Everybody watch. I'm Japanese samurai. Very dangerous. Samurai juggle. Hot. Yup. Thank you, only 3 people. Alright guys, I give you even more dangerous trick. If you want to see it, everybody say yeah! Yeah! Everybody say sushi! Sushi! Here we go, double spin. Guys, this is not easy. You should clap. There we go. 2 well hand. 2 nice in the air at the same time. And guys, next one is special. We call this trick Japanese karate chop. Japanese karate chop. Oh, this is very dangerous. Hot! Yeah! Yeah! Back to back! Yeah! We win. Hey guys, when I catch it outside, everybody make some noise. 3, 2, 1, make some noise. Let's go, Cody! Oh yeah! Level up! Handstand up here.
Sushi!
You can do it. Oh.
I need your energy. Together say sushi! Sushi! I love sushi. Together say wasabi! Wasabi! I hate wasabi.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, when I get handstand flip, give me energy. We are not anime, we can see you.
Yes.
Let's go! Great! Sushi!
Sushi power. Wait for it. Make some noise!
Sushi!
Everybody hold. We give you even more higher. If you want to see it, everybody say higher. Everybody say higher.
Even more higher.
Yes, super high. Even more higher. Super dangerous. And guys, this trick is very good. Please take a photo, okay? You can get very good photo, yeah? Please take a photo. Make it a memory, yeah? Please take a photo, yeah? You guys can get photo with castle, yeah? Let's do this. Yeah, please ready to get photo, yeah?
Let's go.
Super high.
Let's go. We can do it.
We can do it.
Super high. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hi! Yeah! Not yet. Come on, Osaka. Make some noise. Everybody hold. Ready to get photo. Now. Take a photo. Take a photo. Take a photo. Take a photo. Take a photo.
Very good. Let's go.
Alright guys, last 3 big tricks. Last 3. Step on, I'm gonna show you very big back flip. And after this, we give our grand finale.
Yes.
Last 3 tricks. Let's do this. I gotta jumping and in the air, then I do very big sushi backflip. When I land, everybody makes some noise. And guys, this trick is very dangerous. I'm a little bit scary. Give us your energy. Everybody together! Clap.
Thank you. All together.
Everyone.
Thank you. Together.
All together, everybody. Together, louder, faster. Together, say sushi, 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 sushi. Everybody. Sushi, 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 sushi. 3, 2, 1. Come on, make some noise. Come on. Hey guys, it's time for grand finale. Last 2 big tricks. This is our original and our best trick. Please enjoy our grand finale. Step 1, I gotta juggle 3 knives on Connie's shoulder. Step 2, I go up 4 meter high, risking our life. Let's do this.
Guys, we want to say thank you so much for watching our show and welcome to Japan.
Thank you.
So much. Arigato.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Yeah.
By the way, if you're ready for the finale, together say hi. Hi. Hi means yes in Japanese. Okay? Together say hi. Hi. Thank you. Let's go.
Let's do this. Grand finale. At first, 3 knife juggle. Climb up.
Climb up. Wait.
Somebody clap. Thank you guys. Let's do this. Last 2 big tricks. Our original. Step 1, I gotta juggle 3 knives here. Step 2, I go up even more higher. And guys, this trick is very dangerous. Very, very scary trick for him. And guys, thank you for laughing once again. Thank you for stopping. Welcome to Osaka, Japan. Before this grand finale, let me quickly introduce ourselves. My name is Kei, this is Connie, and we are Marvel from Japan. Thank you guys. And guys, we are street performers. We travel in many countries, we travel around the world and make people laugh and smile and happy. If you're happy now, please make some noise now. Thank you guys. If you're happy now, we did our job. So at the end of the show, please put your donation in this hat. And that's why no one is laughing anymore. Honestly guys, this is our passion and this is our only job. After this show, we split the bill together, separate together. So if you give us 1 Japanese paper note, that's good donation. We are so happy.
Yes.
If you give us 2 paper notes, we get 1 note each.
1 each.
That's amazing.
Yes.
We can eat sushi tonight.
Sushi.
2 paper note, we go home super happy.
Yes.
And if you give us more, we go home with you. Guys, it's joke. And guys, we do this over 10 years. So we know after we talk about money, some people left. But you guys still stay here. Thank you for staying here. These 2 tricks are a best trick for you guys. Let's do this. Oh, and guys, if you don't have any cash, don't worry, we understand. We do have a QR code, and we do have a card reader. This is Japanese technology. So end of the show, please do not just walk away. Please come forward, say something, and please support our life. Please hold it up and put it in. Alright guys, let's do this. Grand finale. Step 1, I gotta juggle 3 knives here. Step 2, I go up 4 meter high. Our original best tricks. We change our mind. To do this trick, we give you even more dangerous way. Watch my left leg.
And everybody say sushi. Sushi. We can do it.
We can do it. Serious sport. Everybody watch. already. Now it's really very scary, very dangerous. Winner juggle, give us energy. 3, 2, and 1. Come on, Osaka. Make some noise! Thank you guys. Fancy finish. Double audition catch. 3, 2, 1. Come on! Nobody, final set. I go up even more higher. This is our final, our best, our original for you guys. Koi, are you ready?
Hi.
Audience, if you're ready, say hi. Hi. Very good.
Right, when he goes up, give your last hit. 3, 2, 1.
Make some noise!